Welcome to ABC Kids World. Let's learn the unknown facts about elephant. Do you know elephants are the biggest animals on land? Their trunk has more than 40,000 muscles, but not a single bone. Elephants can even swim and use their trunk like a snorkel. And guess what? A baby elephant already weighs about 100 kilos at birth. Elephants have an excellent memory. They never forget things. They are also known as the gentle giant, the king of the strength, lord of the forest, and the memory king. In Hindi and Urdu, we call it Hathi. Isn't the elephant amazing? Lastly, let's hear the elephant sound. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.